Hi guys, good day to everyone. Now is June 15, 2025 Sunday. By the way guys, happy Father's Day to all fathers in the whole world. Yan guys, nagpapasalamat ako or thank God at last and finally dumating na ang parcel namin na garden hose guys, kasi meron kaming outdoor garden. Ang pamangkin ko, niece ko, nagdidilig kasi nasira na ang old garden hose namin. So ito, bago garden hose, color yellow, pero mas maganda to guys. Kung maganda to guys, magpasalamat talaga tayo ni seller. Mag-unbox tayo guys. Wait guys, ako lang mag-isa guys. Pamangkin, pag na lang. Wait guys, mag-unboxing tayo guys. Garden hose guys, seller. Wow. Yan. Ito guys, gawin ko tong design sa mini studio ko guys. May bago na kaming garden hose. Thank you seller. Yay. 15 meters to guys. 799 to guys. 799 pesos. 15 meters. Kung interesado kayo guys, tingnan nyo lang sa Yellow Basket to guys. At ito ang kanyang connector. Connector to. Yan guys. Ito guys, may previous pa guys. Thank you so much. May gloves pa guys. Thank you so much seller. Yan. Thank you. Ito mga connector guys oh. Ito guys oh. I-connect natin guys. Oh. May gloves pa guys oh. Dalawang gloves. 799 pesos to guys. Ang ganda. Garden hose guys. Ang ganda ng quality guys. Yan guys oh. Seller, thank you. Mahal.
Day!
Tingnan nyo lang guys oh. Kasi nasira na guys. Seller, thank you so much. Ang ganda ng quality. Seller. Ito ang garden hose. Ito ang garden namin guys oh. Ang garden guys, pag inaalagaan, pag merong nagkikare, mas daandang lumalago, daandang gumaganda. So I hope guys, ang video na in-upload ko guys sa TikTok ko, I hope meron ding magkikare. So daandang ding lalago, daandang ding gaganda. So seller, thank you so much sa garden hose. Ang ganda ng quality. Sa mga interesado lang guys tingnan nyo lang sa Yellow Basket namin guys. Kasi sira na tong old garden hose namin guys. Pamangkin to guys. Siya ang nagdidilig. At ito ang outdoor ng bahay namin guys. Labas ng bahay namin. Okay. Tulungan mo ako tayo. Bye bye guys.